part. Okay. I'm gonna start with the top plane. Top plane. Sketch. I'm going to design this part here. Select the line for construction. Make it horizontal. Right click on this line, select midpoint, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select the origin, and make it coincident. Select Smart Dimension. We can see from the drawing, from the datasheet here, that this measurement, this dimension is 125. Okay. Left click on this line, make it vertical, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select this line and make them equal. Select the center line, find the midpoint of this line here, connect it to the origin, escape, select this line, make it vertical. Select this line and this line here and make them equal. Select Smart Dimension, select this line and type here 35. Select this line here. We cannot enter this dimension because it's gonna be over defined. Select this point and this point here and type 25. Select this line here and as you can see, from this line to this line is 90. So type here 45, enter, escape, mirror entities, mirror about this line, entities to mirror. Select OK. Features. Extruded Boss. The height, as we can see here, is 60. So I'm gonna type 60. Enter. Select OK.